So let's walk through the actual solar oil project website and structure. Now, a key component of any good project is how easy it makes for the average person to both create an account and join the movement, but also how easy it makes all these complex background things like oil production and so on, and simplifies it for the average person to understand it. So as you'll notice on the main website itself, there's a very quick to the point video that walks them through what the project is all about, shares all of the basic information that they need to be able to make their decisions, gives them a simple calculator that they can use to do some estimations of their own, and also answers all the common questions, including some detailed questions about how the whole process works. Now, once the user is ready to get started, they just click the Get Started button, and it is as easy as filling out a simple form. There is no monthly fee, there is no sign-up fee or anything of the nature, so it's very, very easy for most people to get started immediately. Now, when they log in, they are welcome to this very simple dashboard. And the whole purpose of this dashboard is to be able to walk them through these steps right here. And if somebody just goes down the menu items, they will be able to accomplish everything they need to in less than 5 minutes. Once they log into the dashboard, they want to select how many SOAX or access tokens they want to purchase. And this is a very easy process. They simply enter how many tokens they want to purchase. It gives them the option to purchase them using Bitcoin or Ethereum. And once they have completed their transaction, they are simply brought back to the page where they can see the actual available number of tokens for them to stake right away. They can look at a record of all of these transactions that are on the blockchain. So these are all blockchain transactions. They don't depend on any individual or any company to manage them. They can simply go in here, see a record of all these transactions, and be assured that there is nobody else in the background messing around with this. After this, they just need to go to the staking page where they actually select how many tokens they want to stake on these oil well sites. And this is the key part that you want to really focus on making it as easy as possible. So right here, we're going to select a portfolio from the dropdown. A portfolio just represents a collection of oil wells. And at any given point in time, there are only 1 or 2 portfolios at most available here to make it very easy for the average person. And immediately it shows me what this portfolio is all about, what the expected production looks like, where these oil wells are located, generally speaking, and how many tokens are available to be staked. So it's showing me that up to 99.9 million more tokens can yet be staked on this particular portfolio. And I can just put a value in and it'll immediately tell me how much of this portfolio I, as a percentage, will now benefit from. So every single day that all the oil wells in this portfolio, when they produce their oil and they report their oil production, SOPX or production tokens will be created and added to my account on that basis. Now, if I want to look at this production at any given point in time, I simply go to the production page, I select the portfolio that I staked on, and it shows me a very detailed breakdown. So in this case, it's showing me the contract IDs, the smart contract IDs, which means there's not a person managing this, but it's actually being done automatically on the blockchain. These smart contract IDs are the ones in charge of the particular times that I staked different amounts of tokens. Overall, I've staked 15,000 tokens on this portfolio, and I can see the production for every single day on this portfolio. I can go further back and see the production historically, and I can see the production in real time up to 48 hours ago. So this is literally all the average person needs to do. At this point, they are completely set up. They don't have to do anything more. From here on out, all production is going to be added to their account every single day in the form of their production tokens. The one last setting that they want to take care of is determining how many of their production tokens every day they want to convert to SOX. They can choose not to do it at all, or they can say, look, take half of my oil tokens and convert them to more access tokens because I want to grow how many tokens I'm staking. I want to grow my oil income over time. So they can automatically do this whenever they would like to. It's a very simple process. The entire thing from creating their account to actually having active staking going for them literally takes about 3.5 minutes or so. When they do earn production tokens and they are ready to actually redeem them, they simply enter how many production tokens they actually want to withdraw or convert. They enter their Bitcoin or Ethereum address. They decide whether they want to convert it or if they just want to transfer their tokens out to an external wallet, which is entirely in their control. Both of those options are available to them. They decide what they want to do, which makes this, again, one of the only truly transparent systems that exists. At this point, we have the share system available to us where all stakeholders have the option to share the project with other people. When you do so, you can track the total number of people who you're attracting to the project, both directly as well as within your 6 degrees of separation or within your social network, if you will. Now, the social impact is probably the most powerful aspect of this platform because I can see in real time what is going on across my entire social network in terms of the impact that I'm creating. So right here, I can see on my first degree, which represents friends of friends, my first degree of separation is tracking and showing me how much carbon is being offset, how much grid energy has been offset, how many jobs have been created. So every single time this bar reaches completion, I will automatically receive the Carbon Warrior achievement, which in turn issues an Ethereum reward. When we have 1 megawatt of energy in my first degree of separation that has been offset, at that point, I receive the energetic achievement and it gives me another reward. When I help create zero point 0.1 jobs, I help cover basically the job for one entire year because this represents a 10-year job. That gives me the creator achievement, which in turn releases another Ethereum reward. So this allows me to actually see the true impact that is being created throughout the world, throughout the economy, as well as on an environmental level from me initially sharing this with some of my friends. And that's actually going to be the driving factor behind a movement like this, when people can genuinely see the impact of what they're doing and they can genuinely then see how that benefits them directly as well. Now, just like your oil production, you do have the option to simply say, any rewards that I receive from my social impact or any rewards that I receive from referring other users, I want to automatically convert a portion of that into additional SOAX. So these are all options that are available to you as the user to basically achieve what you want to, which is an ever increasing oil production over time until you have a very good, solid portfolio of oil well properties that are producing this oil for you. So that's literally all it takes. As you see, it's a very, very easy to navigate, very easy to use system, and it is constantly being improved. There are more things being added in here to make it an even easier platform to interact with. But at the end of it, there isn't much that the average person needs to do. They only need to come in here and in about 12 clicks from beginning to end, they have a fully functioning all-well portfolio platform producing SOPX tokens for them completely on autopilot. So this is literally the Tesla and Amazon of all production platforms. And we look forward to you joining this and experiencing this for yourself.